After quite a bit of sawing, after a while you're left with a lot of slabs. Question is, what do you do with all this? I could go ahead and move everything into a pile and burn it from the wood ashes. It can help the soil. What I like to do though is use it for firewood, whether in the campfire or in the wood stove, depending on what kind it is. Right here I got a little cart, an old timer he made that I bought at an auction last year. Just hook that up to the tractor. Pretty simple design. Side walls come off, or you can have them up like that depending on what you're hauling. You can see it's mostly pine. I had been sawing the locust and maple to burn in the wood stove, and then the pine you can use for fire starters or just in a campfire. When you have the slabs stacked up in some sort of uniformity, you can actually get a lot cut because you can just keep sawing straight through all the layers. And instead of having to saw a board, move it up, saw a board, move it up, you can just keep cutting through like several feet of width and several feet of depth. This only took a couple minutes. If you want to, you can load the bucket up with wood as well, but that's a pretty good load there. I'll go with that for now.